guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Advaith Pillai, and today we are going to be continuing our Python basics course, and this is going to be part 7. So let's begin. Today we are going to be looking at identity operators, square roots and cube roots. Okay guys, so let's start now. So let's take a variable x and give it the value 7. Okay, so now if we write print, which is type of x, and we already know what type means. If we write type x, I'll show you what it says. Now if we print it, it says class int, because x has the value 7 and 7 is an integer, so the type of x is int. Okay guys, so now if we use the identity operator, which is is one of the identity operators, and if we write int, type x is int, so if we do this, it says true because type x is integer. Okay guys, now if we write is not int, it says false because this answer is wrong, and if we write is not float, it gives the value true because type x is not float and because it's an integer. Okay guys, now this was identity operator, which is and is not. Okay guys, so these are the two identity operators. Now let's look at how to find like square roots. Okay, so let's take a variable x and then let's give it the value 1 and then 1 to the power. For right to the power, we write this 2 asterisk, which is 2 times multiplication sign, and then we write 2 like the power. So in this case we have written 1 raised to 2, which should give us the answer 1, because 1 raised to 2 is 1 into 1, which is 1. And let's take some other number. Let's take 10. So 10 raised to 2, let's write now, it's 100. So as you guys can see, this is how you can find the square root of a number. Okay guys, square, this is for squares. I'll show you for the square root now. Okay, now imagine we have 16. Okay, and then we use double asterisk, and then if we want to find its square root, we have to use 0.5. As you can see, the answer comes in float because we have used the float value to mention the power, but 16's square root is 4.0. Okay guys, so this is how you can find square roots and squares. Now let's look at how to find a cube. So to find the cube, it's the similar way, 10 double asterisk, and then we write 3 because 3 is the power and raised to 3 means it's the cube. And then if we print y now, as you can see, the answer is 1000. Okay guys, now I'll show you like how to get the cube root for a certain number. So let's take 27 for our example, and then for the power, like where you write raised to, in that section you have to write inside the brackets 1 by 3. Okay guys, and now if you run it this time, if you run it, you can see the answer is 3 because the cube root of 27 is 3, because 3 into 3 into 3, which is 9 into 3, it's 27. Okay guys, so this is how you can find squares, square roots, cubes and cube roots in Python. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. So this is the end of the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Bye guys, and stay safe.